Hi everyone, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel and to another backpacking Central America vlog. As you might be able to tell, I am actually at home right now. I got back home almost 2 weeks ago, probably by the time this goes up. Got home and went straight back to work, as you'll see in the vlogs. They're coming slowly, but yeah, I'm a little bit behind on uploading my backpacking vlogs, so just bear with me on that. But yeah, this vlog is going to be of Leon, Nicaragua. I realised when I was editing that I didn't film an intro, I just got straight into vlogging. So if you didn't see the last vlog, I'll link it below, but I was in Granada in Nicaragua and I met some really great people there. One of them, my friend Indy, who is also in this vlog, and you're going to see her in every vlog after this. I travelled with her from Granada to Leon and it took around 2 hours on the local buses, 2-3 hours I think. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get back to Leon. Oh my god, so we found a McDonald's. We were literally dreaming about this the whole bus ride. Indy's fuming because they've not brought any chips.
They're giving me a different drink.
They gave her the wrong drink.
I mean, the chicken nuggets though.
They are good, yeah. Look, they've got like a, I don't know, like different coating on them. They're really nice. My chips are a bit cold though, but still. This hits different after like 3 months of no McDonald's. Or 2 months.
A long time on buses.
Yeah. So me and Indy are just walking to the cathedral now. We're gonna try and go up it to see the sunset. We've seen other people's pictures of the rooftop. It looks really pretty. We're also trying to meet this girl who, she's called Ellen. She follows me on Instagram and I saw that she was in Leon, so I messaged her saying we're coming to Leon, and she basically told me that she's like lonely here and she was with these girls who are not being very nice, so I said she could meet with me and Indy, so we're gonna try find her on the way. We're both wearing skirts to get some pretty pictures on the cathedral. Change of plan, is closed, so we can't do that now. We got dressed up for nothing, but we found Ellen, who I told you about. I feel like we should do something because we'll put the skirt on. Here it is from the outside. We just got some food. Me and Indy got bolognese and Ellen got Alfredo, I think it's called. Just back at the hostel now. We had a really nice dinner, but we decided to have quite an early night. It's only 8:20, but we've all just gone to our rooms to watch films and stuff, and Ellen's gone back to her hostel. Got quite a big day tomorrow because we're doing volcano boarding, which I'm so excited for. We're about to start our volcano boarding. How are you feeling, Ellen?
Scared.
How are you feeling, Indy?
Happy we're not carrying.
We've paid a local man $5 each to carry our board.
$4 even. I think that's a bargain.
Helping the local community.
I paid $5.
And that's where we have to hike. Let's do it, bitches. Me and Indy just made it to the top. Well, we hope it's the top.
I really hope it's
I can't breathe. Also, fun facts that he told us about this volcano. He said it's overdue an eruption by like a couple of years, so basically it could erupt pretty much any time now, which is good to know. And what else did he say? He said something else.
Last went off in 1999.
It last erupted in 1999.
No, typically before that was erupting every 19 to 20 years, so
it is basically due, yeah. Which is great to know. You can feel the heat from it as well.
But he says because of the way everything's been going, the next eruption could be it.
Could be a bad one. It could take out the whole volcano, he said, so no more volcano boarding. Good job we did it on this trip.
Get it in now.
Get it in now, guys. Come to Leon. If you can get up the volcano.
Oh, wait.
Where is she? Yes.
Woohoo!
Oh, she did it.
Did it.
Did it, girl.
We made it.
Woo! Good job. Getting traumatized today. A swarm of bees came and Indy's allergic. Literally surrounded us like 100 bees. The guy was like, don't move!
At the top of a fucking volcano!
What are the chances? So then it was time to go down the volcano. So basically they make 3 lines and you go down one by one person in each line. It was actually quite scary because you don't realise how high up you are. Like, I'm not scared of heights, but it is scary going down the volcano at such speeds and you're not strapped in or anything, you're just sat on a piece of wood. So I don't know how safe this activity is. It's definitely more of like an extreme sport thing, but I really recommend it. So we finished our volcano boarding. How did you find it, Ellen?
It was good.
It was so
Went
good.
faster than I liked, but good.
Ellen was like the fastest out of all of us actually. And now we're having some drinks. We get basically like a bonfire and we get given loads of drinks now, watching the sunset. Let's get drunk. Okay, we have like 2 drinks already and we literally just got off the volcano. But not complaining.
Yeah.
We just toasted some marshmallows on a bloody volcano. Absolutely living the life. Not had a toasted marshmallow in like years though. I'm very excited. But Ellen's vegetarian, so sadly she doesn't get to try this beauty. And then as it got dark, the school bus that we came on put on all these flashing lights and turned into this massive party bus. They were playing such good music, they were pouring us loads and loads of free drinks, and honestly it was so much fun. We partied the whole way home and cannot recommend Bigfoot hostels enough for this experience. So it's now the next morning, well actually it's the next afternoon, it's 1 o'clock. As you guys saw, the volcano boarding turned into a big party and the party bus was wild. It was so much fun. The drinks were so strong, like we just got all the drinks were included. They just kept pouring them and they were so strong. Yeah, it was really good.
50% rum.
It was like 50% rum, yeah. So we feel a bit rubbish today. How are you feeling, Indy? Did you enjoy yesterday?
I did enjoy yesterday. I am not running on that much sleep and this coffee is very necessary.
Coffee is so needed, and we've got some cake. We're in our favourite bougie cafe, which is like the copy of Starbucks.
You know, we're literally paying Starbucks prices.
Yeah.
That's okay.
We deserve it.
We deserve it.
Today tomorrow, but technically today at 2 AM we need to take a shuttle, which is going to be a whole separate video because I think it deserves its own moment because it's going to be a lot. We're taking a shuttle from here to Guatemala. It's going to be like a 20-hour day starting at 2 AM. So yeah, I do not feel like doing that today, but we don't have a choice, so just preparing ourselves for that now. Then for our final night we did get to go up the Cathedral. It only cost about $2, but you get really nice views over the city, can take some cute sunset pictures as well, so that was a really nice end to lay on. I also didn't film an outro because I just went straight into filming the next vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming with me to Leon and to Nicaragua. This is actually my last Nicaragua vlog. I can't say it in English without trying to pronounce it how you say it in Spanish. But anyway, this is my last Nicaragua vlog. I actually rank Nicaragua as my second favourite country of this backpacking trip after Colombia. I just had such a great time there. Wish I got to spend longer. I would definitely go back. I think it has so much to do, so much to see, such an underrated country, and yeah, I just really loved my time there. So it actually gets second spot on my list of top countries on this trip, and the volcano boarding that we did makes it into my top 3 activities of the whole backpacking trip, which I'll tell you when I've officially finished the backpacking vlogs because I feel like I'm kind of giving away spoilers now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a little comment below because it helps my channel a lot, and I will see you guys soon for the next backpacking vlog, which, as I said, involves us taking a 25-hour shuttle bus through 4 countries. If you want to watch that vlog, then make sure that you are subscribed because I'll be posting it as my next video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in a video soon. Bye.